how to fix iPhone camera and flashing not working. So let's get started. Firstly, start by restarting your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix minor software glitches. Simply press and hold the top or side button until the slider appears and drag it to turn off, then press the top or side button again to turn it back on. After that, go to the Settings app on your mobile device and inside the settings, scroll down and tap on the General. After that, tap on the software update option available there. And if an update is available, simply tap on the download and install it. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. After that, go back to the settings General again and scroll down and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone and tap on reset and tap on reset all settings. This will reset all system settings without deleting any data. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.